There was a time when Sagarmal Samota from a small village in Sikar, Rajasthan, was just waiting for electricity. He paid the required money, visited offices again and again, but the electricity never came. After years of waiting, something changed. Not the system, but his decision. If electricity won't come to me, I will create it myself. And that's where this story begins. In his village, Pujari Kabas, Sagarmal built something unusual, a large, circular machine powered by a camel. Yes, a camel, but this is not just an animal walking in circles. This is energy in motion, with a smart combination of gears, pulleys, alternator, and dynamo. Sagarmal converted animal power into mechanical energy and then into electricity. What does this machine do? It pulls water from deep wells. It cuts fodder for livestock. It can even grind wheat into flour and charge batteries, all from one system. This machine can lift water from depths of up to 150 feet and bring out thousands of liters every hour. And the best part? The load on the camel is reduced because the system is designed to reuse energy smartly. What looks like a simple wheel is actually a powerful idea. An idea built from need, frustration, and determination. Today, Sagarmal doesn't complain anymore because he didn't just solve his problem, he created a solution for many others. This is not just a machine. This is what happens when innovation comes from the ground, when problems are real, and solutions are built with courage. When systems fail, innovators like Sagarmal don't wait, they build.